As a project manager, during your project execution, you could face that one of your team member is underperforming. In this episode, I will explain how to define, analyze, and act in this situation. I will focus now on the word underperforming. What does this mean? What are the levels of measure for the meaning underperforming? Each person you as a project manager is expecting from this person, the nominated person, that this person will do some type of work, quantity of work, in specific time. Each person has different level of work because they are different from person, different in knowledge, different in experience. So you could have two team members working on the same position. One has this work, performing this type of work during this time. Okay, so they have, like, you have two team members, they perform differently, the quantity of work performed is different on the same time, and that could not say in this case that this person is performing less than this person, because each person has his own levels of performance, okay, according to his knowledge, his experience, his personality, and so on. So you have from your previous projects, you know that person A and person B are different. Let's say both are process engineers or procurement department, or both are electrical engineers or whatever, and you know the performance of their work. Now you come to your project and you can see that A and B is performing differently. Okay, if you have this person is performing the same, okay, same amount of work, and the person B is suddenly, his performance is being reduced, considering that the project is all the same, and he's been decreased, and he is not performing. In this case, this is the meaning of underperformance. Means this person is usually doing some kind of work and he is underperforming. Okay, first scenario, that one of those persons is underperforming, means that the underperformance is coming from affected on one person. Okay, as we know that we need to always to make the following: we need to define, we need to analyze, and we need to act. Okay, those are our acts which must be done on this to improve and to re-improve his performance to the normal. Okay. Now first let's define. So we will go to this person and let's define what is happening, why this person is not performing as usual. See the word, not performing as usual. Okay, I'm comparing this person with himself from previous experience, from previous projects. So why is this person performing differently? Okay, this could have some reasons. These reasons could come from the company itself or could come due to different factors. Some of those factors, which could be bad organization. In bad organization means I put this person in a wrong place in my project. If I put this person in the wrong place in my project, then it's my responsibility to reorganize and put him again in the right place. Okay. Second one could be problems in personal life. We know that at work we have to separate our personal life from life at work. But whatever it happened, if this person is having some problems in his personal life, even if he will try to reduce or not show these problems, this could affect him on while he is doing this work on preparing the document or doing his work. This could affect him on his work, and you as a project manager, you could notice this on him. Okay. Other problem, this could be problems with health. This person could face some health problems like heart problems or some high blood sugar or problems with high blood pressure or others. So this person could have some problems with health, then he is not performing as usual. Okay, and could be some lack of knowledge. Okay, so those could be the reasons which I am analyzing, and the underperforming comparing to his own performance, in which category it occurs. So definitely there could be some other categories, but those are the main. Okay, now I analyzed, found the problem where it is, and now I need to act. How to act? Okay, how to act? If you have bad organization, you need to reorganize. Put the person in the right place, simply. If the problems is in his personal life, you cannot do anything, but you can show him or her your support and your company support. Make your best to support this person once he feel that you as a project manager is behind him, and the company, important is that the company is behind him as well. He will feel that it's a safe place, safe location to work, and he will be more motivated for doing the work more than usual. So this is the other act. Problems with health. Okay, in this case you cannot do anything. The only thing that you can support him with understanding what he can do and what he cannot perform, and if you assist him during his crisis, you can withdraw some scope and reschedule this scope to somebody else who can do this until this person is recovering from his health problems. Okay, lack of knowledge. Okay, maybe this person it's his first time doing such work in your project organization. In this case, you can either do a support, a technical support, means you need to send him some technical support. You can also do the training for him. So you can do training or technical support to this person, and he will be having the knowledge, and then he will improve his performance. This is the team member underperforming tools, how to reduce, analyze, and reduce the underperforming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.